I wish I could start the show like this every time with these amazing girls. Like I said, I have to let you go very, very soon because you guys are up to a lot. How you doing, man?
Good.
Lali and
It's
Lola!
Hi,
I love the hair. What's this called?
Whatever you think it is.
Yeah.
It's just red
It gives goddess.
Yeah, it does,
You
right?
just like Egyptian, like.
Yeah, it
goddess
does.
vibes, yeah.
Cleopatra vibes.
Yeah, and so I promise you, and you'll not forget your existence because every move you make.
It's like.
Yeah, I was about to ask how you guys take a nap in this. Is it like difficult?
No.
Imagine like when we're even trying to record, we have to like literally like layers and layers of wrapping our
Your
hair, so
hair,
it doesn't affect.
it doesn't affect the recording.
Yeah. Anyways, guys, you've had an amazing journey so far.
Yes,
Rightly
yes.
so. Your EP last year, August. The journey begins.
EP, yeah.
I was talking to your dad. You know, your manager.
Yeah.
Shout out to him.
That
And,
is
you know,
her.
he was like, with your career, it's been like phases, right?
Yeah.
Last year was tweaking performances,
Yeah,
the
live
styling,
band,
the
yeah.
image, the live band. How was that for you?
Amazing. Like we were on like almost all the major platforms in December. Like to say that we were able to do live band with Master Ghazi's band
Yeah.
at Stone Boys Festival,
Crazy.
at Aphia's concert as well. We did Rapaholic as well. Like we even opened for Rhythms on the Runway. So like,
Opened.
yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, like we've done quite.
It was crazy.
It was crazy.
It
But
was
then,
crazy.
Yeah, I'm sure you had a conversation with my dad.
Yeah,
like,
yeah.
We are moving with strategy. We're moving at our own pace.
Very intentional with everything,
Everything
we
that
do.
we do.
So the first year that we started, it was more of like finding our sound.
Okay.
Now last year was more like improving on our craft, doing the
Okay,
live band and
okay,
everything.
okay.
And now this year, we're just gonna go harder. We're having another concert because we had a concert last
Yeah.
year.
Yeah.
So we're gonna have another concert
So
this
like
year.
the-
I hope I see you.
Oh, I'm going to come.
Just because you like going out. He doesn't
I'm
like-
emceeing,
but
so
I'm
you know, I'm
like
going to
you.
be there on the mic,
Yeah.
jamming and stuff. So yeah, it's going. But like you said, like
Yeah.
there's a well laid out plan. Like it's
Yeah.
a whole machine. Like you
Yeah.
guys are the face of this machine,
Yeah.
but it's a very well laid out plan. And The Journey Begins was a perfect name. I don't know who
Yeah.
came up with that name for
Yeah,
the EP.
like,
It's so
That was
weird.
perfect.
It was one of us.
One of us.
But then we were like, no,
Randomly.
you know, before you put in your song title, you have to go and search on the internet to find out
If
does
anyone
has
else-
that song. So we're like, no, we have to spell it in a different way.
yeah.
So we added the I.
So
instead of
notes,
EY.
artists, make sure you check the
That's
name to see.
true.
Because if there are a lot of other artists who have the same title of song, you can
Yeah.
it's strategy. So you have to do according to what
True.
you want to do.
Very true. Okay, so what's the plan for this year?
Okay, so this year we are doing the concert. We even have a song dropping in our birthday month, which is February, which is tomorrow. So we have a song coming out 23rd.
Where's the party? I am sorry. I have to. I asked of her and I
We're
just
gonna have an
of her.
online party.
Online party.
Online
Yes,
With all your female
greet
friends.
greet us in our
With
DMs.
the Aishas and the Cassandras.
Hey.
and the Nikas.
Ordemes, you forgot the Ordemes.
He's looking for
Ordemes.
girlfriend though. Can you imagine?
Charlie,
Yeah,
where
are
are
you still
they?
single?
Are you
now?
still-
Last time we had you were single, now you're still single.
Yes,
There's this guy I like, but I feel like you might know this.
Please like
She said I'm
him.
walking.
Nice, handsome.
Like him.
She said I'm walking. She said
Oh,
I'm walking. I walk too much. But I told her it's exercise though.
Yeah, exactly.
But anyways, that's the exercise. So again,
So our birthday
the plan.
is tomorrow, and we want to release a song 23rd of this month.
Okay.
It's called. Should we say the title? It's
Yes.
called Hello.
Whoa.
Hello.
Suspense.
Who are you saying hello
When you
to?
say the same,
I'm actually jealous.
You get the vision. You get the vision.
Who are you
Right?
saying hello to? I'm jealous.
wait for the song to drop now.
Okay, no, can we give them a
No. Don't do
summary?
that.
Oh, are you sure?
Okay, fine.
Okay, hello. It's about. For example, let me just give like a scenario.
Yeah.
I enter the room. Jason is feeling me. And
Yeah.
He sees me.
Obviously.
I enter his eye.
Yeah.
Okay,
Obviously. Obviously.
And then he's trying to get my attention.
And the first word
and
he
the first
says
word he
is
says when he approaches me is hello.
hello. Yeah.
Is that how guys get your attention?
Oh, some of
for
them,
those
their
watching.
approach is not
It's
the
so
best.
bad.
What's the worst approach? That's
Ah,
right.
your body is nice, so.
That's not.
Please, if you don't
Oh, but they're
believe-
not lying though.
No, but it's so
Bro.
weird.
It's
like,
banging.
imagine I'm dancing, right? I'm dancing, like mind my own business. Someone just come and grab me. And it's,
No.
it's just pulling me to follow him wherever. I'm like, yo, are you kidnapping me? I don't know what's
No.
Like, see, people, like, they're so entitled. Some men, when they're approaching, they feel so entitled.
Entitled,
Like,
yeah.
sometimes.
No.
But that's
yeah.
a different combo for another
That's a
time.
different-
Have us another
Yeah.
time.
Yeah.
That's intense. That's
Yeah.
intense. So hello's coming.
Yeah, 23rd February.
23rd February.
Yeah.
Okay. Like you said, this year there's going to be the concert.
Yeah.
Are we going to get full body of work? Maybe.
Okay,
EP,
so what we want to
album?
do is we want to, give our fans songs every month.
Wow.
So we are still deciding if we do an EP, but we want to drop a single every single month.
So there's
and we
definitely
plan
going to
for
be
that.
music.
Yeah.
No, yeah.
Oh
Definitely.
yes, yes.
Oh,
You, let me tell you.
We already recorded the songs last year.
Yeah, last year, I promise.
Your work.
We already
Yeah,
put it down.
yeah.
Your
We're
work
already
really
working
works.
So
the
for
next
us,
year's
we have
songs.
16 songs out already, and we've just been in the game for like 2 years. So this year, this year, of course, you're gonna feast. Don't worry, we'll feed you. You'll be
Man.
begging us to stop feeding you.
So proud of you guys. For those who haven't heard the EP yet,
Yeah.
some of the features, were there any features on the first one for those who don't know?
So the first ever EP, there was a feature, but it wasn't singing. It was more accollations, like his voice,
Okay.
like in
Yeah,
Chi.
yeah,
That was I'm blessed.
Yeah.
That,
Okay.
From words to magic. From words
words
to
to
magic. Now for the second EP, Journey Begins, we met this wonderful artist, Nigerian, and he featured on 2 of our songs, Let Me Know and Journey Begins, which we performed. So make sure you check the EP out. It's on all streaming platforms, and the music
Yes.
video for Journey Begins is out. I'm sure MX24 will play. If you
Yeah,
don't play it, we'll
we will
fight.
play it.
Like,
We have
you
no
have to
option
play
but
it.
to Oh, one thing I wanted to add before we go, who
Yeah.
styles you guys? You know, you guys look different every time I see you. Now, that must be pretty difficult. I feel like just 2 shoes, bro. Like, bro, it's a hassle out here.
If you're suffering, you're suffering more than
No,
me.
you don't. The streets are hot, though. Like, who styles you guys?
Okay, so our mom, she's a brand manager.
Oh,
So
okay.
she handles everything from our hair to our clothes, what we're wearing, even down to our lipstick, lip gloss, everything.
Okay.
Like we have a whole WhatsApp group
Platform
and then
with
we're just
styling.
putting in stuff.
yeah.
But then the
Okay.
person who sews the stuff is
Mr. Mouse. Shout out to Mr.
Oh my
Mouse.
gosh, Mr.
He
Mouse.
sews.
all our December outfits.
Oh,
that
yeah,
you
he's
saw.
dope.
Yeah.
I mean, based on what we saw.
Yeah.
That's dope. Any shouts? You want to give anything you want to add before?
Okay, so I want to say our birthday is first. Our brother, he's our producer, Rapid. His birthday is on when 3rd February, and our little
Wow.
sister is second.
Second.
So we're first, second, third.
No.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No.
Let me tell you something. My parents are so smart.
The
They
planning
wanted-
is wild.
They wanted to save money, so 1 cake for all 3
Oh
children.
my
They
goodness.
celebrate their birthday one day. Everyone celebrates. That's it.
Yeah.
What?
That's it.
That is fire.
Yeah. So shout out to
Wow.
Rapid. Happy birthday. Serum, happy birthday in advance. Love you guys. Love my family. Love the OG fans. We love you guys so much.
Awesome. So what video is showing right now?
So this is Jenny Begins.
Jenny
That's
Begins,
Jaya
that's
Fire.
Jaya Fire.
Yesh.
Okay, featuring.
Yeah, so that's Jaya.
Okay,
That
sorry,
featured
that's
Jaya,
him.
yeah.
This was shot in Ghana.
Yeah, those show in Ghana, and you can see twins in there. So we
Yeah.
had like twin girls and twin boys in there because we wanted to just add that vibe into
vibe.
it.
Damn.
Yeah. We shot this at Kitia, right?
How many days
Yeah.
did this take? Like, was it intense? Was it a simple
One
shoot?
day.
one
No,
day.
2 days. So everything that you see from furniture, everything was at Katia.
Yeah.
And then the last shoot that we had to do was the next morning.
Yeah.
Was the church scene.
The church scene,
This
yeah.
scene.
Yeah.
Okay.
Outside the church. Yeah.
And let me tell you, shooting outside in the sun.
It's not pretty.
It's not pretty.
I can
Your
imagine.
makeup is just melting away.
Bro, I walk. I know what you're talking about. I know. So, again, hopefully music videos this year.
Yep.
More content this year. More
course.
jamming. I just
More
want to say
fire.
so proud of you. I mean, like, the energy you guys give, it's always positive. It's always
you.
inspiring.
Thank you.
I'm sure the little girls and little boys who really, really look up to you. And I have a little secret, a little surprise for you.
Let's go!
Yeah. Wagwan.
No, you guys planned this.
Oh, wow.
Don't cry.
Do not cry.
Don't
Do not
cry. You
cry.
make me cry.
Do not cry.
I feel like I'm doing a Zoom. Thank you, guys.
Oh my
Okay.
God, thank you so much.
Thank
Thank
you.
So, yeah.
Oh,
from the team. Yeah, come.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, yeah.
Thank you, MX84.
Yo, you guys, fam, you guys are family.
Jason, no. Hey, I don't So no. Happy Pacific.
Go down. Okay, try it.
You can't take us. They just like come out of that. Hey, oh, the little, hey, for well.
How does it feel knowing you're loved by so many people? Fans,
Like, this is the
everybody?
first time that anyone has done this for us. For real. And that's why she's crying.
Oh,
And I'm trying to hold my chest because
Let it out.
we appreciate you.
Let it out.
I'll be stop crying. She's crying.
Still crying. Guys, thanks
I'm
so
the
much
hard
for
girl
coming
when I'm
through.
crying. I'm
It's
going.
been awesome.
Thank you.
Bro, what's the name?
I'm Kelson.
Kelson.
So doing so well.
Chai's
So
fire,
dope.
man.
Thank you, thank you,
Yeah,
thank you,
please
thank you,
find
thank
him,
you.
call him for events, and yeah, let him surprise. I'm sure he's going to be surprising you guys some more in the future.
Yeah, man.
Do you want to tell your fans anything before you leave? Anything at all?
We love you guys so much. And for the guys who just met us today, we're Lali X Lola, your favorite Ghanaian twins.
Hey. Welcome to the Lava Gang. If you don't know your parts.
LAVA, because it's energy. You know, we set the stage on fire. We
Okay.
melt it.
Yeah.
We love you guys. Follow us on all social media platforms at Lali X Lola Official. And stream our music.
MX24. Thank you so much.
Thank
You
you so
made our
much.
Bro, do
day.
you want to play so we just sign off? Something? Any?
Let's go.
Anything.
Any
Something for me
ballad
too.
quickly, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. It's been amazing. I'm going to leave the space for you. I tried. I was doing like the hand
Yeah,
stuff.
no, I saw you. You
Yeah, I
tried.
got the move,
Please,
though.
the girl who he likes, I beg you, he can't
Yeah,
dance.
yeah,
He can't
there you
dance
go.
too.
He has
Yeah,
the
right.
and
Other
the
stuff
hair.
too.
Yeah.
Yeah, in kind.
Okay.
It was a dance.
Thank you so much for tuning in. Have a very wonderful afternoon. Enjoy. Salute.